In this video, I will show you how to create a group using Google. Here I am in my Drive, and I can go to my Google Apps menu and choose Groups. Or I could go up to my URL line and type groups.google.com. When I open this page, I can create my own Google group. This will allow me to share files and folders with everyone in a specific group by typing in the group's Google group address. To do this, I'm going to choose Create Group. I'm going to type my group name. I'm going to change this to googlegroups.com. It does tell me it's an external group, and that's okay. It will not allow me to add a domain group. I will get an error message if I try to do that. So I'm going to just choose the Google Groups. And I can see that this is the group email. I can change that if I wish. But just remember, you might get an error message if there's one that already exists. And you don't need to enter a description. I'm going to choose Next. I'm going to say only invited users can join, and only group members can see inside the group. You can certainly, since you're only going to be using this to share files and folders, you can choose group owners for all of these. And here's where I'm going to add my group members. And this will directly add my group members to my group. And I'm going to change this to none in the subscription. Okay, so what I need to do is get all of my students' student ID numbers. Once I have that, I'm going to open this Excel template, and I'm going to paste all of their ID numbers here. When I do that, I can then copy their Google account addresses. I'm going to go back and I'm just going to paste that here. I'm going to remove my last comma. And then I can choose Create Group. So you'll notice that it automatically bumped to these numbers. So I can see that they are all of my students. And I'm going to say Create Group. And of course I had to choose Create Group here again. Oh, you can only add 10 people at a time. So I'm going to look to see who I'm missing. And I can certainly add more group members if I need to. But now, in my group, I can see in my About, here is the group email or account address. Now, if I share a file or a folder with this particular address, it will be shared with everybody in that Period 1 bio group.